Okay, this is my favorite winter dish. This is what Mom used to call Speedy Skater Stew. Got the recipe out of the Colombian newspaper sometime in the early 2000s. This is just about a pound of pork sausage, although smoked turkey sausage works really good with this too, with about a cup of diced onion, a cup, well, actually a whole green bell pepper, and that's all obviously been browned and heated in a fry pan. And then to that you add 1 can of pinto beans, drain the juice off of them, 1 can of black beans, 1 can of kidney beans, 1 can of chickpeas or garbanzo beans. Then finish it off. I add 2 cans of diced, in this case, fire roasted tomatoes. The original recipe called for a lot more tomato than this, but this is enough, in my opinion. Just 2, 15-ounce cans. I think the original recipe called for twice as much tomato. Mix this all together, heat it up, put some fresh oregano on it. That makes it really good. And then you want to salt, pepper to taste. At this point, you're just going to get it to simmer for maybe 5 minutes with all these ingredients in there. And you're done. And this stew, this Speedy Skater stew, will last a long time. You got a family of 4, you can eat this for days. It's very hearty. It is very delicious.